Hello everyone, all is in readiness, the sun is shining brightly, the sky is nice and blue, and we're ready to rock and roll. There's a lot happening at the ground. Both captains are having a look at the pitch. Meanwhile, the fans are getting a little rowdy already. This is the playing 11 for today's match. Both teams are looking balanced and we can expect a cracker of a match today. Both umpires with the new ball in hand and are walking towards the pitch. Looking fully pumped up, there goes the opening pair. Bowler is all set with the new ball in his hand to start off the innings. That was a difficult one to play. Smart bowling. You should watch the ball closely and get in line with the ball. Oh, talk about smoking it! Oh, blimey, that is a cracker. The fans make the game, and with their energy, this is how this game is so loved. Ah, that's skillful from the bowler, and he missed this completely. Batsman lost his concentration there. Gorgeous four, pure magic, the way it goes off his bat. Looks like the batter has decided to move on. That's gone high in the air. Got him. That is a wonderful catch to get the breakthrough. And there's his wicket celebration. Loves to celebrate his success in style. Got the wicket all right. The bowler now needs to collect himself and focus on getting another one. Oh, he's launched this superbly. Whiplash this ball for a maximum. Oh, deserved boundary. Perfect timing, you better believe it. Spinner brought into the attack now. That's the end of the power play. Captain is now allowed to place two more fielders outside the 30-yard circle. Timed it beautifully. I think they're going to come back for two. Holy schmoly! 6 and out of here. That has taken an eternity to come down. That is clean as a whistle. Well judged and perfectly executed. What an outstanding shot. Batters should now be looking to up their run rate. They would not want to keep too much for the end. Oh, sixer! Got hold of that, waltzes it out of the ballpark for 6 more. Oh, deserved boundary. Perfect timing, you better believe it. Oh, that's high! A quick throw right on top of the stumps. That's high. Well played for a single. Excellent throw right at the top of the stumps. So here comes the final ball of the innings. In the air. That's caught. Brilliantly set up and gets the reward in the end. That'll be the end of the first innings. Let's see what happens next. The fielding side is looking pumped up and are all set to go. There come the openers looking all set for today's encounter, and the crowd are jeering them on. He is all set to face the first ball of the innings. Oh, yes! That is some box office stuff for sure. Batter charges down, clobbers it, and it goes all the way for a maximum. Bowlers need to be more consistent with their line. A change of pace could be a handy option on this pitch. Do love a Mexican wave, and you can't get away from this noise. Oh, that's high! Well played for a single. Nicely played for a single. Nice shot, but unable to find the gap. Oh, that's a monster of a six. In fact, it's gigantic. Absolutely vintage. Now, that's the end of the power play. Captain is now allowed to place 2 more fielders outside the 30-yard circle. Poor timing, he miscued it. He's a street-smart cricketer when it comes to playing spin. Well played for a single. They need more boundaries to balance their slow start. Nicely played for a single. Straight into their hands. That was a good throw. Superb running. They really took it to the fielders. Completes the first one quickly. Comes back with a bustling second. That is good running. Wickets in hand always helps when it comes to firing in the death overs. Placed into the gap for a single, good running. So here comes the final ball of the innings. He squeezed the ball into the gap for a single. Fantastic victory. After setting a good target, they defended it wonderfully. Well-deserved win. Congratulations on a wonderful performance. What was the game plan for today's match?